Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Fun Story Factory. And today we've got a wonderful book that I actually used to read to my children when they were little. There it is, it's called The Bear's Lunch by Pamela Allen. And we're going to see what happens to Wendy and Oliver when they go on their picnic. Shall we start? The Bear's Lunch by Pamela Allen. Shall we begin? Wendy and Oliver were going on a picnic. When they spread out their towels in the clearing, they didn't know a big black bear was out looking for his lunch. First he looked under a log. "Ah," growled the bear, and a frightened mouse ran into its hole. Then he looked up a tree. "Ah," growled the bear, and a frightened bird flew off into the sky. He looked into a stream. "Ah," growled the bear, and the frightened fish swam away to hide. He looked behind some rocks. "Ah," growled the bear, and a frightened squirrel scurried away as fast as it could. Then he came into the clearing. "Ah," growled the bear, "ah," and the frightened children ran to the end of the jetty. Can you see? They've had to stop their picnic because their bear wants to eat their food. The bear was hungry. By now, very hungry. He wanted his lunch. So he sat down on Oliver's towel and gobbled up Oliver's honey sandwich. Then he gobbled up Wendy's salad sandwich. "Ah," growled the bear. The children look very scared, don't they? Now the bear was thirsty. "Ah," growled the bear. He drank up all of Oliver's orange juice, and then he drank up all of Wendy's apple juice. Can you see he's drinking? But the bear was a big bear, and that was a little lunch. The bear wanted more. "Ah," growled the bear as he stood up, sniffed and looked all around. What do you think he's going to see? He could smell more at the end of the jetty. Oh, they're looking very frightened indeed now. "Ah," growled the bear. He came closer. "Ah, ah," growled the bear. He came closer and closer. When the bear was so close that Wendy and Oliver could smell its hot breath and see its sharp teeth and look into its red rolling eyes, Oliver let out an enormous "Ah!" The bear took a step back. "Ah!" growled Oliver again. The bear took another step back. "Ah! Ah! Ah!" growled Wendy and Oliver together. The bear was so frightened he turned and ran away as fast as he could. Wendy and Oliver ran home to their mother. When their mother heard about the bear, she hugged them both tight, then made them another lunch. Wendy and Oliver were so hungry they gobbled it all up, and the big black bear never came back again. Wasn't that a lovely story? Did you enjoy it? Do you like going on picnics? I'm sure you haven't met a bear, but if you do, you know what to do, don't you? You've got to scream back at it. Bye-bye, see you soon.